traders. This is Scott, and this is the trade of the week idea. There's a disclaimer, I'm not going to read it, but there it is. Okay, so this is not a trade signal. We've discussed this at length in the live room, and this video is just a short recap of an idea for a big opportunity that may transpire in the near future. All trade ideas are for educational purposes only. All right, so the trade idea we have today is found on the pound dollar. As you see, we're making a move to the downside here. If we go take a look at the dollar index, it appears that it's going to continue on up. This looks very much like an ABC, all right? So we're going to go with that right there, which would mean that the pound would go to the downside. So looking at the pound dollar, we are in this trade from this morning already, so just letting you know that, but we're looking for this continuation. We topped out here, as you can see, topped out. We're headed down. This is going to be easier to see on a lower chart here, so let me go down a little bit, maybe do a 30-minute, and there we go. All right, so we traded this on the breakout up here, got a pullback added to the position there. The target right now is the ATR target down here at 1.3535. And but this is not going to make it to that target by 5 o'clock. So we'll get a new one at 5 o'clock. The ATR really is 130 pips. So if this was to continue down, let's just say from here, or let's just say from this bottom, you can see that if I put this on from this bottom, let's take this one right here. All right, we're selling for 130 pips. 130. Oh, hold on. 130. That makes better sense. All right, there we go. We're looking at coming all the way down here to 34.92. All right, so this is a big area right there. You can see trade one is going to be the break hook and go here. There's trade one. There's trade two. Trade three is the break of the T30. Okay, if it goes fast, you're going to get another pullback here. Then we got trade four. And then we got trade five right there to here. And then we got trade six. So, you know, that's a ton of pips right there, folks. So will it go? I don't know. It has to make sure the dollar index has to go up, but it's underway right now. This pullback has given you an opportunity to possibly get in it. Now, don't forget that this may end up doing an ABC up here before it makes a turn to the downside. So just watch it, and you know, hopefully you'll get it. Will it go? I don't know, but chart says we can go right now. Whether we will or not, that's another story. All right, hope that helps you. See you later.